Hey guys, so we're here packing for our trip back to our parents' house. The kayak is on its way to being completely full, and so when filling a kayak and you got way too much crap to bring home, you want to fill it as conveniently as possible and fill every little gap. So, you know, even things like a thermos could fit in a nice little crack that normally you might not really be able to fit a whole lot in. Or inside a shoe, you can always throw your socks inside a shoe to fill that gap in the bottom of the toe. Anyways, from our own experience, we've seen a few different boats. Maybe we'll show you a couple throughout the B-roll here. Yeah, I mean, like Alex was saying, we've seen really neglected boats. You want to fill every crack here as much as possible. So let's get those down, because this has got a lot of spiky bits. Oh yeah. There's a little gap in there. Let's throw some socks in there. Socks are a great gap filler, guys.
Packing, packing, packing. So much stuff to pack. Stuff everywhere. This is going out to the curb.
The last few steps of bringing all our gear, getting rid of all our useless stuff that we picked up on the side of the roads during the spring cleanup. We furnished our entire apartment, and now we're defurnishing it by just leaving it all out by the curb. So far so good. We've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff. So come on, let's bring the last few things we need to bring out there. What you got here, Alex?
So this is all goodies that we're giving out to the curb to people, whoever wants them. We didn't even have everything outside, that there was already someone stopped and picking up some of our stuff.
Perfect timing for a car to drive by. I love it. And what do we got over here?
Oh, this is perfection Tetris. Look at that. A whole other world.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. So just finishing up the last bit of pumping on these suckers here. These things have come in handy more than one time for bringing gear across the country. So hopefully they'll do us well this time as well. Time to pack the kayak, the surfboard, and a good big board bag filled with clothes. Let's see if we can do it.
Welcome through the world of Tetris, real life. So we've got a fully loaded car. Actually not quite yet. It's pretty interesting.
Hey, what's going on? So we're all packed up. We got the car packed to the gills. There's no other space left in it. We even got the top all finished, packed up. As I've said, we got the surfboard there. We got the snowboard bag. And we got our Thule kayak. Or our kayak that we're using as a Thule to store all our gear in. We're all strapped up and ready to go. Random bag on top that we couldn't fit inside. Let's see if we can open the door without having everything fall out. There we go, so you guys can see a little. Pretty crazy. She's packed.
We left the apartment. Everything's in the car. We just had the inspection. Everything's perfect. And even my guitar actually fits in there. I don't have to sit with it. Yay! So hit roll, Jack, and adventure.
So guys, we made it to the ferry. It's gonna be a long night waiting. I think it's a 6-hour 6 to 8 hour crossing if everything goes well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will go well. But we got ourselves our sleeping bag to set up, and the floor is gonna be our home for the next 6 hours.
So, traveling in this car is very entertaining, to say the least. We got Alex driving over here, so I decided to take control of her seat so I could maybe take a little nap. But it's a little tighter than I would hope for. So if I sit up straight with my back up against the chair, I have this wonderful forehead issue here. So at least I'm locked in, I won't go anywhere if we happen to get in a terrible accident or something. I can't even like move my head forward, but I don't know, I might be able to fall asleep like this. It would be very strange straight up. But then we also have the issue down here by our legs here, which isn't very much better. So if I kind of slouch down like I would normally be, as you can see, it's a little tricky to get my legs in here anywhere, which way. Kind of tuck them in that corner, but then how am I supposed to sleep with this here? Normally I'd put my head on the window over here like this, you know, throw a little something up against the window, and there we go, we're styling, we can sleep. But this doesn't really work because then we have this issue with my legs, and it's not very comfortable. So I guess we could try something like this. Oh god, I'm not that flexible. So this might sort of work, maybe. What do you think?
I wouldn't say you shouldn't do that. If you crash, you're gonna kill your legs.
Anyways, let's hope Alex is a good driver if I do decide to sleep this way, because yeah, the airbag's gonna hurt a lot. But yeah, so essentially this is how we travel with tons of stuff. It's not the most comfortable drive, but it's working. And I think I prefer driving rather than sitting in Alex's cramped spot here.
I prefer my spot.
Well, you're doing a good job driving there. So I think I've decided on the forehead strap. We'll see how well it works. Just got to try to sleep now. See you guys soon. Look, it's like an anti-whiplash strap, guys. Pretty sure we could be in a really bad accident and my head won't go anywhere. They should build these into cars. Honestly, I think it's like the best invention ever.
You're gonna break your